Hello, beautiful people. It's Coach Steph here. For the past 3 months, we've been on a powerful journey together. Every single week, we declared one strong affirmation to kickstart our week, to set the tone, and to speak life over our goals, our mindset, and our future. These weekly affirmations have formed set one of these beautiful series. The affirmation delivered on the 13th of April was the final affirmation in set one. That was a milestone for us. It marked the completion of a season of planting powerful seeds in your heart and mind. Seeds of confidence, purpose, and self-belief. And here's something important I want you to remember. Set one is always there for you. You can go back at any time and rewatch or listen to every single affirmation in that set. Those affirmations are not locked to a particular date. They apply at any point in your journey through life. Whenever you need a reset, a reminder, or a boost of faith, you can return to set one and allow those words to pour back into you. Now, I know many of you are already looking forward to what's next. Set 2, set 3, and set 4 are absolutely coming, and they will be released in due course. Each one designed to take you even deeper into growth, healing, and transformation. But right now, we're shifting our focus. We're entering a brand new chapter. In this next season, I'm so excited to announce that we're introducing a powerful new series of affirmations specifically created for couples all over the world. This series is for couples who want their love to grow deeper, their understanding of each other to expand, and their bond to wax strong through every season of life. This is for you if you desire a relationship that is not just surviving, but truly thriving, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and even in the way you communicate day to day. In this new chapter, Coach Steph is diving into affirmations that speak directly to the heart of partnership. Affirmations that help you speak life into your relationship, to honor each other's journey, and build a connection that feels safe, loving, and unshakable. Because here's the truth. Your words carry power. The words you speak over yourself matter. And the words you speak over your partner and your relationship matter just as much. When you both choose to affirm love, respect, patience, and unity, you're building a relationship that can stand firm even when life gets challenging. So in this Couples Affirmation series, we will be exploring statements that remind you that you're on the same team, help you communicate with kindness and clarity, strengthen your trust and emotional intimacy, and renew your commitment to grow together and not apart. These affirmations are just nice phrases to say. They are daily practices. They are tools you can use to reset, reconnect, and realign as a couple. Imagine beginning or ending your day by speaking powerful, intentional words over your relationship together. So whether you're newly together, engaged, or have been married for many years, this series is designed to meet you where you are. Maybe you're rebuilding after a difficult season. Maybe things are good and you want them to get even better. Wherever you are on your journey, there is space for you here. I truly believe that when two people choose to grow together, to heal together, and to affirm one another consistently, their love starts to wax strong. Stronger in understanding, stronger in grace, stronger in unity, and that kind of love not only blesses the couple, it blesses children, families, and even the people who are watching your journey from afar. So beautiful people, get ready Get ready to sit with your partner, to breathe together, to speak together. Get ready to use your words, not to tear down, but to build up. Get ready to experience how simple daily affirmations can shift the atmosphere in your relationship, bring softness where there was tension, and create hope where there was doubt. Our weekly affirmations for couples will guide you gently but powerfully into a new rhythm, a rhythm of intentional love, conscious communication, and shared vision. This is the next chapter in our affirmation journey, and I'm honored to work it with you. So stay tuned, because the Affirmations for Couples series is launching very soon. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure your notifications are on. And if you're listening to this with your partner, take a moment right now to look at them, smile, and just say, we're in this together. Your love can grow, your love can heal, your love can wax strong. Until next time, keep believing, keep affirming, and keep loving with intention. With love always. This is Coach Steph. Thank you so much for listening. Take care.